Subscribe to Movie Talkies and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
I don't think it's a debacle, yeah. When we made the film, it's a very difficult format of a film. The thing is that India में reference point नहीं है musical का. Like I have grown up watching, the Guppy Gain series that Satyajit Ray made, but not a lot of, the masses in India haven't really grown up in, watching films like this. So it's a very difficult film. It was a very brave film to make. And I'm really happy that we made the film, and it doesn't matter because I really feel that it's an extremely special film and it had to be made, and I think it's a step forward for Indian cinema. I really believe so. No, I don't think Anurag Basu ekdam bhi responsible hai. I think I keep saying that he's a mad genius. Everyone has their way of working, and you can't really criticize anyone because it's a very personal thing. An artist is trying his or her best to create something, and you should just give everyone the space they need to be able to make a film the way they want to. And yeah, I think I had a lot of fun, and I would love to work with Basu again and again. यार मुझे ना ये पैसों का हिसाब समझ में ही नहीं आता. मैं फिल्म करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कुछ क्रिएट करने में, और आई थिंक आई डोंट हैव तो I just don't understand that world, so maybe yes, what you're saying is right, but it's, every film has its own destiny, and I guess, this is what Jagga's destiny was, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Thank you.
So Salman has decided to compensate distributors for tube light loss. So as a producer, do you believe in that?
अरे पहले फिल्म तो रिलीज होने दे यार. Profit loss के बारे में बात कर रही है.
But as a producer, do you think that that's unfair, or do you think that should be done?
It's been going on since years. My grandfather was a producer from 1950, and I think that whole home style of making films where everybody should make money, not just the producer, the distributor, the exhibitor. So it's a very healthy exercise, when somebody loses money on something where you have kind of made money on, it's very good to compensate. It's a healthy exercise, but like I said, it's from person to person, from film to film. But yes, I've been hearing this from my grandfather's time, when his films like Mera Naam Joker, they all didn't work and distributors had heavy losses. So when he released his film after that, Bobby, he gave more of a percentage to the distributors and exhibitors. So there was a sense of balance in it. So it's a very healthy exercise. Personally, yes, if I had losses and if I was making money out of it, yes, I would definitely do it.
All the best and congratulations. I think movie will be a hit, of course. My question is a bit different, of course. And the question is, it is really important for us to know that the question is on Amarnath attack, terror attack. So we as Indians are uniting and for victims and for supporting them. So we really want you to know, we really want your answer and your reactions on this, that the terror attack which has happened, what would you like to say?
Well, first of all, we condemn this. It's a total act of horror. Condolences to the families and the victims. But please let us know what you're doing, through Republic. If we can help in any way.
We actually have launched a campaign that is India for Amarnath.
Okay, I will contact you. I will try and contribute as much as I can. But yes, I think these times like this where the country has to unite, people from every strata of society, everyone comes together, because it is the evil. I don't understand what is the gain out of it, why people do it. It is the worst side of a human being. And yeah, it's very shameful, that it's happening within our world.
Thank you so much.
I think there's another really amazing campaign also going on, Not in My Name. Yeah, I think they're also doing some really interesting things towards it, and I've seen a lot of my friends have been taking part.